The Dow Jones Industrial Average just jumped more than 250 points today's morning before cutting gains, rebounding from Thursday's stock market sell-off, although Dow Jones leader Apple and Tesla reversed lower. Peloton soared as much as 11% on earnings, while Nikola dived as much as 18%. In today's video, we will talk about the Dow Jones moves and go through the hottest stocks as of right now and exactly when to buy or sell them. Make sure to stay to the end to get the newest information about the virus and its impacts on the market as well. So the Dow Jones stocks Apple and Microsoft were mixed in morning trade, while Tesla jumped as much as 3% early Friday after Reuters reported the company's plan to export Model 3 vehicles made in China. Stocks on the move are Domino's Pizza and Etsy. Both were upgraded this morning. Domino's rallied 2% and Etsy advanced 2.5%. Meanwhile, Nikola dived as much as 18% in the wake of the company's response to short seller fraud allegations. Furthermore, we got the stock's nearby zones for you, including the software leader Adobe. The stock is rebounding from its 50-day support level and is above a recent buy point. Among companies reporting earnings, Chewy and Peloton were mixed. Chewy fell 6%, while Peloton soared as much as 11% before cutting gains. The Dow Jones Today. Early Friday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.6%, while the S&P 500 moved up 0.3%. The Nasdaq Composite fell 0.1%. Among exchange-traded funds, Innovator IBD 50 traded up 0.9% Friday morning. The Nasdaq 100-linked Invesco QQQ Trust ETF rose 0.6%. Meanwhile, the SPDR S&P 500 ETF moved up 0.7%. Amid the virus stock market rally, the tech-heavy Nasdaq is up 21.7% for the year through Thursday's close. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 is up 3.4%, while the Dow is down 3.5% year-to-date through the September 9 close. Dow Jones News, Apple. Among the Dow Jones stocks, Apple moved up 0.1% early Friday as the iPhone maker looks to recover from Thursday's 3.3% fall. Shares are rebounding after falling as much as 19.6% from their all-time high. Apple stock is about 57% above a cup with handle 72.15 by point. The blue chip giant is the number one performing Dow Jones stock for 2020, with a 54.6% advance through Thursday's close. Stocks on the move: Domino's, Etsy, Nikola. Domino's Pizza stock jumped 2% after Cohen upgraded the pizza maker from market perform to outperform. The stock is rebounding after triggering the 7%-8% loss-cutting rule from a 422.25 entry in a flat base. Etsy rallied 3% after BTIG upgraded the stock from neutral to buy. Shares are below their 50-day moving average line after giving up the support level on September 3. Nikola dived another 16% Friday morning in the wake of fraud allegations by short seller Hindenburg Research and the company's response. The report called Nikola an intricate fraud. Early Friday in a news release, the company refuted the short seller's allegations, calling the report replete with misleading information and salacious accusations directed at our founder and executive chairman. To be clear, this was not a research report, and it is not accurate. This was a hit job for short sale profit driven by greed. Nikola's stock is more than 60% off its 52-week high in morning trade. Stocks nearby zones: Adobe. Adobe rose 2% early Friday and is in the 5% buy zone above a 470.71 entry in a flat base. The stock is trying to recover from a round-trip sell signal, according to MarketSmith chart analysis. According to the IBD stock checkup, the Adobe stock shows a 98 out of a best possible 99 IBD composite rating. The composite rating is a simple way to easily measure the quality of a stock's fundamental and technical metrics. Tesla stock. Tesla stock jumped as much as 3% early Friday before reversing lower. The stock is rebounding from its 50-day moving average line, a key support area to watch. Early Friday, Reuters reported Tesla is planning to export Model 3 vehicles made in China to Asian and European markets. Shares hit an all-time high on September 1, topping out at 502.49 before reversing lower. Shares remain more than 25% off their 52-week high. Stock market earnings: Chewy, Peloton. Chewy slipped 7% early Friday despite reporting better than expected fiscal Q2 results. The online provider of pet food and other pet products reported an adjusted loss of 8 cents per share on revenue of $1.7 billion. Wall Street expected a loss of 18 cents on revenue of $1.64 billion. Chewy stock is about 27% above a 47.65 entry in a cup base, following a breakout on June 2. Peloton stock soared 11% before cutting gains after reporting strong fiscal fourth quarter earnings late Thursday. The company earned 27 cents a share during the quarter, better than the 10 cents forecast by Zacks. Revenue skyrocketed 172% to $607.1 million, above expectations for $573.14 million. Peloton stock fell just short of an all-time high Friday morning. Dow Jones leaders, Microsoft. Among the top Dow Jones stocks, software leader Microsoft was up 1% early Friday. On Tuesday, shares closed below their 50-day support level for the first time since the May 5 breakout above a cup with handles 180.10 by point. The stock found resistance at its 50-day line Thursday amid a 2.8% decline. But let's come to the virus updates. Virus updates. According to the Worldometer data tracker, the cumulative number of confirmed U.S. cases topped 6.5 million on Friday. Total deaths topped 196,000. The cumulative total of cases confirmed since the start of the outbreak worldwide topped 28.3 million Friday, with more than 914,000 virus-related deaths. The virus stock market rally. According to IBD's The Big Picture, the virus stock market rally is seeing strong selling pressure after rebounding from lows more than 5 months ago, on March 23. The major stock indexes confirmed the rebound as a new uptrend on April 2. Thursday's Big Picture commented, the Nasdaq and S&P 500 both fell sharply Thursday in higher volume, adding a distribution day. The Nasdaq now has 3, while the S&P 500's count rose to 5. The increase in distribution days, along with the big sell-offs, indicate the market's character has changed for the worse. After Thursday's sell-off, the Nasdaq is about 9% off its all-time high. On Tuesday, the tech-heavy composite closed below its key 50-day support level for the first time since the start of the new uptrend on April 2. Amid worsening general market conditions, investors should be more focused on locking in profits and cutting losses short. Another way to reduce risk is to move off margin. Be careful with new buys. The increased risk in the market should give you pause. Thank you all for watching. Consider to subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed today's video.